Hello friends, are you searching for school management software? Then your search ends up here. Our company Vertical Solution is working in the field of customized ERP softwares for last 20 years. Here we are having a complete school management software named as School NX, which completes every needs of school fee management and helps you to have error-free, fast and easiest back office working. More than 400 schools are already using the software and says no to paperwork. It helps them to save human resources, time and money. Using this software, you don't have to worry about to print any stationery in relation to school. So let's get started with the feature of software and understand how you can take advantage of it by using it in your daily working. This software works with any kind of school board affiliation, either it is CBSE or state board. So School NX is mainly divided in 6 modules, and they are admission module, fee setup module, add-on module, report module, account module and security module. And the main advantage is that now you can also integrate this software with the mobile application as well. Firstly, the main question of school management is that they want to know how much of data they have to input manually with the first time installation. But you do not have to bother because our customer support executive helps you input the admission data directly using an Excel file, which most of the schools use in their day-to-day activity, and they provide a customized fee structure setup in the software of every session as per your school requirement. So there are mainly 2 workings. What you or your staff have to do is to create fee receipts, and secondly go through the variety of reports that we provide. Our first module is admission module, which is designed in a very simple manner. That is, you get a complete record of each student here, and it can also manage RTE students. Admission process includes print form, issue form and submit form. This is the easiest module to operate, friends. Second module is the fee setup module, where you are managing fee according to your fee heads. Here fee are automatically bifurcated in 3 levels by medium, stream and category of students, and you also have the facility to manage vehicle fee, auto rate fee and auto discount. We provide both receipt and challan system so that you can choose as per your requirement. In the receipt system, you have both cash and bank options also. Overall, you can customize the fee module or make changes according to your school needs in a very easy and simple manner. Continuing with the next module, that is add-on module. This is something that takes our software to another level. In this module, we offer features like exam management system, state board or CBSE, which includes mark sheet and required reports related to exams. Other than this, staff payroll system, student and staff ID card printing, library management, asset or resource management, school activity management, certificate printing, etc. With all these features, School NX also offer SMS integration in the software, through which you can send fee reminders and general reminders that helps you to communicate with teachers and parents. It has many more advantages. Next, we are having our report module. It is the most important module to analyze academic and financial reports of an institution. We provide more than 100 reports in this process. We have varieties of student reports such as caste, category, age-wise, etc. usually required by government records, and it automatically filters it as per your need. It also provides default list, reminder list, daily collection report with this detailed class register, scholar register, reports for attendance analysis are also formed. With the single click, the owner gets a daily report via email informing that of all the school activities happening in their presence or absence. Our 5th module is account module. This is the strength point that automatically enters the admission and financial accounting of student receipts. Only thing you do is to make voucher entries of other expenses or banking related entries. In this, you will get all the financial reports, that is cash book, bank book, and audit level reports such as trial balance, income expenditure account, and balance sheets. Even you also get the bank reconciliation statements. It provides you the due fee, received fee, and outstanding fee with individual student ledger on a single click, friends. In our advanced version, one more feature that we are providing is to transfer all accounting entries from our software to Tally accounting software with a single click, so that your auditor or CA do not face any problem in doing audit of your accounts. Now, beginning with the last but not the least module, that is security module. Most of the school owners have doubt in their mind that their software data can be easily seen or changed by anyone and they won't even know about it. But this doesn't happen in School Annex software. Here you can have user level accounts and provide them permissions as per your need and get control on every activity of your school software. Also, you have control on the complete data of software. Within this module, we are having both auto and manual backup options so that any loss in your computer doesn't affect your data and it can be shifted from one computer to another computer easily. School Annex supports both single user and multi-user pattern of working in software. And finally, if you have seen the video till here, then we are introducing the most interesting feature of the software is the integration of School Annex software with mobile application. Yes friends, you can get the mobile application for your school which supports both Android and iOS on the Play Store. In this, parents and staff have their own login ID and password shared by you. This helps parents get information about their kids from their home such as attendance, homework, teacher communication, academic calendar, holiday calendar, school gallery, and fee reminders. Whereas teachers can perform activities such as class attendance, homework through their phone itself. School management can control all the activity through their mobile phones. Other than all this, Vertical Solution also perform website development work, especially for schools. We design websites as per your needs, which is very important for a school, parents and teachers. We also have value-added services which includes SMS plan, different range of CCTV solutions especially for school with modern computer lab establishment and their services, so that all IT need of schools are fulfilled from one place. So, our school management software provides you such features which you are thinking or you need for your school. Our dedicated support team is waiting for you to be served. Then why you are delaying for contacting us? Contact us now here. Thanks for watching.